Unboxing the phrase, select a gift box. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of a common English phrase, select a gift box. This phrase is simple yet versatile, and understanding it can help you in various contexts, from casual conversations to formal events. So, let's dive in and explore this phrase together. Select a gift box might sound straightforward, but it has specific nuances. To select means to choose or pick something from a range of options. A gift box is a box that contains a present or a surprise intended for someone else, often wrapped or decorated to add to the excitement. So, when someone says, select a gift box, they are inviting you to choose one box out of several, usually with the anticipation of a pleasant surprise or a gift inside. Subsection 2.1. In celebrations. During birthday parties, weddings, or festive occasions, you might hear, select a gift box. Here, the host may present a variety of gift boxes for guests to choose from as a token of appreciation or celebration. Subsection 2.2. In marketing and promotions. Businesses often use this phrase in promotional events or marketing campaigns. Customers might be invited to select a gift box after making a purchase, where each box contains a mystery prize or a discount offer. Subsection 2.3. In games and contests. In game shows or contests, participants might be asked to select a gift box as part of a challenge or to receive a surprise reward. This adds an element of excitement and unpredictability to the game. The phrase also appears in popular culture and literature, often symbolizing choice, chance, and anticipation. For instance, a character in a story may have to select a gift box as part of a larger plot or a significant decision. And that's a wrap on Select a Gift Box. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase and its varied uses in everyday language. Remember, language learning is all about discovering new phrases and their contexts. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more fun and informative English language learning videos.